Page 19, For He's a Jolly Good Fellow. This is a party song, a very well-known song here in the United States. So let's look it over. It looks kind of busy, and actually it sort of is, so we'll see what it is. It's 1 page long or 4 lines long, whatever. I'm not saying 4 lines as a page, it's just the way this is printed, it works out that way. Treble and bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. We're in the key of F major, so make sure you're doing the scale for F major. 1 octave up and down is fine. 6/8 times, so an eighth note gets a count. Right hand first, let's make sure we have the notes and the rhythms. And I connect everything at first. I lift up for the rest, but otherwise I'll do all the staccatos and stuff later. You're starting out here, you put your hand here. Remember the B flat's in the key signature, so it's in the hand position. And we're coming on a pickup beat. We're coming in on beat 6. So the first 5 beats are somewhere else, and they're at the bottom. The last measure has 5 counts in it. So it's 6-1. 6, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just count up real carefully. Get to the second line in the second measure. You're here. Here, you got to come up here. Just reach up, and then you can collapse. There's other fingerings, but this is fine. And then bring the second finger back down. We're kind of going back and forth between these 2 hand positions. We're crawling around here. And then for the third line, reach up again. We're sort of in this position now. 4. We're staying there until the third line, then you come back down, third finger. It's like the second line. You reach up, reach down. There. So we're kind of crawling around a little bit. The left hand's just got the primary chords. It's got the 1 chord, 2, 3, and then second 4 chord, and 1 chord, and 5, 7 chord. Not so much for the left hand. Let's put the hands together. And we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right there. When I play that 4th beat, the left hand comes up. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you're lifting the left hand up at the right time. We want to hear the rest. So you go through and put the hands together, and then I go back over it slowly and carefully and make sure there's no hesitations anywhere. If there are, I'll work on those. You should be able to play this even though you're crawling around a little bit. You want to get to where you can play this without looking at the keyboard. You want to feel this keyboard and where you're moving to when you're just moving a little bit. And then I'll think about the articulation. I'm going to connect the right hand. Lift up, lift, like taking a breath. Lift up. The fermata. Hang on to that for what feels right. If I do it with a metronome, I'll double it and I'll hold it for 4 counts instead of 2. Because remember, in 6/8 time, a quarter note gets 2 counts. And then you go on and lift up. Lift up. Just lift up between the phrases. The left hand, you just play it. Good, no big deal. Just hold these out for the full 3 counts each one. Then once I have the articulation sort of figured out, I'll think about the dynamics. MF at the beginning is mezzo forte. It's really about the only one they give you. This is a party song. People don't pay any attention to how loud or something. This is, the more you've had to drink, the louder it gets. It's just keep these chords soft. All the way through, pretty much. And then the speed. Well, again, it depends on how much we've had to drink and how we're feeling. Just 1, 2. This does not sound like a jolly fellow to me, but that's Moderato. It gets kind of tricky in 6/8 time because sometimes you want to feel the beat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and other times you want to feel the natural accent, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With this piece, we generally feel the natural accents. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how we would generally play it. Missed it before. I overlooked it. Well, darn. The left hand for the third line, those are staccatos. And the left hand, short. Just bounce off. Yeah, just bounce off. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 5 counts because we come in on beat 6. Now, again, the fermatas, I'm going to hold those for 4 counts instead of 2 because I got to stay with the metronome. 1, 2, 3, ready, go. 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold 2.